Hi there, welcome to our ChopChopChef channel, and appreciate you tuning in today again for our next cooking session. We will do a hot dog. Yes, a hot dog, but a special one, my version. A loaded one. Okay, for our hot dog in the bun, we will have a pork sausage, right? So now this one is already blanched, so it's not completely raw, right? I will show you this on another segment. I have a raw, how you to get to this stage, but normally what it is you just put your raw sausage in simmering water for 3-4 minutes, and then you chill it down in ice water, and then they come out like this. All right, for today, first we have to put this fella in a bread pan. Okay, very easy. I have already sort of preheated my pan here, and I have a little bit of a canola oil. And watch. Oh, it's just big enough. Perfect. So this one we keep here on the side, and we give it a nice golden brown color. This will take probably 3-4 minutes. But while this is doing her thing, yeah, we're coming around here, and as I said, this will be kind of a loaded hot dog, right? What I have here is a nice Gruyere cheese, chives, horseradish cream, creme fraiche, yeah, a few pitted prunes, and later on some fried onion rings. Now what I do with all these things, let me think. Okay, all right. We're taking our Gruyere cheese, taking the rind a little bit off, yeah, and then we grate quite a bit in this bowl. Okay, easy done. So enough for one hot dog mixture. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay. Then this one sorted. Now while we're having this one here, then we're putting, oh hold on, I hear my sausage sizzling. I quickly go, I'm back in a sec. Perfect. Nothing happened. Okay, then we're putting in here a good teaspoon of horseradish. I like this horseradish. Oh, I should have used other spoon. Then we use a soup spoon of this creme fraiche. Don't be too shy with that. Yeah. Soup spoon of this one. Then we're putting our, you see the pitted prunes, so I diced them already early on. So we put them in here as well. And then we do a good, so 5-gram soup spoonful of chives. And let's see, and a little bit of salt, of course. And again, I get distracted from my sizzling sausage. Just 1 sec, and I will be back. Okay, it's coming good. All right, so this whole mixture, now this whole thing we mix nicely all together. Okay, you were wondering what is this guy doing? Yeah? But I tell you what, if you see the end result, you're probably screaming for more. All right, okay, we let this all rest here, no problem at all on the side. Then the bread roll, we're having a nice, now what I use for this kind of hot dog, I don't use a traditional sort of spongy bun. I have a nice crispy bread roll, and which we cut open 2/3. I mean 2/3, yeah, a little bit more. So just like that, okay? And we let this one sit here for the time being on a tray with a little bit butcher's paper. Okay, let's go to our lovely sausage. How we doing, my friend? How we doing? Yeah, okay, yeah, coming good, coming good. Probably it takes the other 2 minutes, yeah, because we want to have a little bit more color. Okay, our sort of Toulousian pork sausage, right, has a nice golden brown color everywhere. Yeah, this took us now 5 minutes easy. Yeah, of course, if you have a nice, beautiful barbecue at home, yeah, you put them on a barbecue, you get an extra oomph, obviously. Yeah, but for our purpose today, that's what we do. Now we're taking this mixture. You remember what it was? Yeah, we're putting this one all nicely on here. Again, as I said, don't be too shy, because yeah, it's all here. Okay, and then we're taking our sausage and put it in here. We close it like that for the time being, and this baby goes in the oven 160 degrees for 4-5 minutes till all these beautiful gravings are all nicely melted together. All right, just give this a show. All right, watch that one. It's coming up, it's coming up, it's going in here. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at that. Beautiful. Okay, we put this one on, timer, 5 minutes. And we're coming back. Yeah, 5 minutes, all good, in the oven. Ready? All right, our special hot dog is ready in 10 seconds. That's counting down right now. Yeah, so the cheese is nicely melted. I can see it already. Yeah, 4 to go, and it's peeping off right now. Good, good. Okay, watch the steam, ladies and gentlemen. When you always open it. And yes, here it is nicely melted. Yeah, okay, very good. Now what are we doing next? Now it's just presenting it, so simple. So we take our hot dog. First, while we have it here, we're putting some of our bacon in here. The bacon bits, which I did earlier on, and a little bit more chives, and onion rings as well. Okay, so all this goes in here. Nicely, nicely, nicely done. Then, okay, opsala. We take this one, take that, we spike it, and we serve it like a fully beautiful. Oh, look at that. Just come closer, and have a look at all this beautiful melted cheese. You know, with a little bit of the bacon bits, the chives, and the onion rings then later inside when you bite into this one. That is what I call a hot dog, a serious one, okay? Not Mickey Mouse. That's what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Yummy, yummy. Till next time, thank you very much.